Myself, Dr. Anuja Agarwal, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry from JV Jain College, Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My topic of presentation is removal of lead from aqueous solution using black liquor, a pulp mill waste. Among heavy metals, as pollutants, lead is highly poisonous, causes toxicity in living beings. To remove such pollutant from wastewater, adsorption appears to offer the best treatment method. The search for more effective and inexpensive adsorbents to remove lead from wastewater, the studies were planned. In present work, adsorption of most toxic lead metal ion onto lignin obtained from pulp mill waste black liquor as an adsorbent has been investigated. Lignin was isolated from black liquor obtained from a pulp mill in northern India. The black liquor have characteristics as presented in table 1. It is black in color, having unpleasant smell, alkaline in nature, with pH 11.2. Its specific gravity is measured 1.1 gram per liter. It has 21% solid content. Lignin was isolated from black liquor by treating with dilute HCl up to complete precipitation. The crude precipitate were centrifuged, washed with water and then dried. To purify, its solution in dioxane was reprecipitated in ether and washed with ether and then benzene, and finally dried over anhydrous calcium chloride at room temperature. And EDTA method is used to estimate lead nitrate concentration. Adsorption parameters were fixed after performing a number of experiments. Equilibration time was taken 36 hours. 4 adsorption experiments pH 3 and 5 were chosen. 0.1 gram of lignin was added in each and every 50 ml of adsorbing solution. Lead ion concentration ranges from 10 to the power minus 4 m to 10 to the power minus 3 m for adsorption isotherms. Adsorption isotherms were obtained at 20, 30 and 40 degree Celsius, and used particle size of lignin was taken 100 to 200 mesh. Now results and discussion. Adsorption isotherms are presented in figure 1 and 2 at pH 3 and 5 respectively. The results show positive adsorption in all adsorption isotherms. These are regular and concave to equilibrium concentration axis. Although extent of adsorption increases with increasing concentration of adsorbate, the percent removal is quite high at low adsorbate concentration. The nature of isotherms also reveals a relatively rapid initial rate of adsorption at low adsorbate concentrations, which markedly decreases at high adsorbate concentration with a slow approach to saturation. 70 to 96% of metal ions get removed at 10 to the power minus 4 m concentration. Rate of adsorption increases with increasing pH and temperature. The heat of adsorption is calculated by the formula Q is equal to R T1 T2 divided by T1 minus T2 log C1 upon C2, where for same amount of adsorption, C1 and C2 are equilibrium concentration of solute at T1 and T2 temperature. R is the universal constant. Table 2 indicates negative values for heat of adsorption, and hence adsorption process is exothermic in nature. The heat of adsorption increases with increasing pH. Now, effect of pH. Removal of metal at pH 3 is quite low than the removal at 5 pH. Lignin carries negative charge on its surface, arises from the dissociation of phenolic OH groups. At low pH, the dissociation of OH groups is suppressed and results in negative charge on the lignin surface. The negatively charged points, balanced by counter ions of opposite charge on lignin surface, provide the adsorption sites. As the number of adsorption sites increases with increasing pH of the solution, the uptake of solute also increases. The entire adsorption data fits Langmuir model and found linear. The values of Langmuir constants Q0 and B were obtained from linear plots. Q0 represents the amount of adsorbate adsorbed for forming a complete monolayer on lignin surface, which increases on increasing pH and temperature. B is the reciprocal of concentration at which 50% adsorption take place. It also increased with temperature and pH. Effect of particle size of lignin. Table 4 indicates adsorption capacity of lignin for lead ions increases as the particle size of lignin decreases. Surface area of adsorbing site is high when particles are smaller. Effect of presence of sodium ions. Studies showed that percent removal of lead ions from solution decreases with increasing NaCl concentrations. It is observed that percent removal for 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 m lead ion solution decreased from 39% to 22.8% at pH 3 and from 63.6% to 42.8% at pH 5 when concentration of NaCl increased from 10 to the power minus 4 m to 10 to the power minus 3 m. This behavior is due to the fact that not only lead ions but also sodium ions compete for adsorption and adsorbs on some of the adsorption sites on the lignin surface. Desorption studies was also carried out and very low desorption results were observed using a number of desorbing solutions. Lignin is low cost and easily available and provided easy and safe disposal after use. Now I want to conclude. Lignin obtained from pulp mill waste serves as a value-added adsorbent for the removal of lead ions. Adsorption capacity for lead ions from wastewater is good in experimental conditions. Adsorption of metal ions increases with increase in temperature and pH and decrease in particle size of lignin. Adsorption is observed exothermic in nature. The whole adsorption data fits into Lange-Muir model at various temperature and pH. Desorption is observed very low. The spent carbonaceous adsorbent can be disposed of simply by burning or fired in a steam boiler. Hence, it is not desirable to regenerate lignin adsorbent. Thank you.